Japan has done it yet again. This time they turned Godzilla's actual foot into a hammer. And yes, it's as awesome as it sounds. Meet the Godzilla hammer, a real, working tool modeled after the king of the monsters himself. This thing looks like it could crush buildings, but it's designed to smash nails. It's made by Castem, a Japanese ironworks company that scanned the original 2001 Godzilla suit, then forged this beast with insane detail using lost wax casting. At nearly 550 grams, this isn't your average hammer. It's part tool, part kaiju collector's dream. Whether you're a handyman or a die-hard Godzilla fan, this is the ultimate power move for your toolbox. Want one? You're in luck. You can snag this kaiju crusher for 6,900 yen in Japan, or about $48 US. International fans, check it out on eBay for around $70 US. Pick it up online at Meta Store, or visit a slight Spectrum 9 Bashi in Tokyo if you're local. So, would you use this to fix shelves or just flex on your friends? Let us know, smash that like button, and subscribe for more.